In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order Zoho Books. A sales order is a formal confirmation of what your customer wants to buy, along with quantities, prices, and terms. It sits between a quote and an invoice, and it's great for avoiding misunderstandings before you fulfill or bill. If you already have your customers and items set up in Zoho Books, you're ready to go. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left-hand navigation, click Sales. This takes you into the sales module where quotes, orders, and invoices live. From that sales area, choose Sales Orders. You'll land on a list of your existing orders with their statuses, so you can quickly see what's open, sent, or fulfilled. To create a fresh order, click New, usually found at the top right. This opens a clean sales order form. Take a moment here to notice the layout. Customer details at the top, line items in the middle, and totals and notes toward the bottom. A quick scan now can save edits later. Next, select the customer name. You can type to search and pick the correct record. As soon as you select a customer, Zoho Books will autofill billing and shipping addresses, tax settings, and contact email based on that customer profile. Double check those details, especially if the order is shipping to a different address or if a specific contact person should receive the email. This is also a good time to verify currency, payment terms, and the order date if they need adjusting. Now add what you're selling by selecting the item. Search by item name or code, choose the right product or service, and enter the quantity. Zoho Books pulls in the rate automatically, taking into account any price lists you've set up. Confirm the tax treatment, add discounts if applicable, and use the description field for clarifying details like color, size, or delivery notes. If you track inventory, glance at availability to avoid overpromising. When you're happy with the details, click Save and Send. Before sending, review the subtotal, tax, and total. If needed, add shipping charges, attach supporting files like a spec sheet, and include a note or terms at the bottom. Use the preview to see exactly what your customer will receive. To finish, click Send. Make sure the subject and message look good, include the PDF copy, and confirm the recipient is correct. After sending, the order status will update so you can track it, and you'll have a clear record of what was agreed. From here, you can move forward with fulfillment and, when ready, convert the order into an invoice with just a few clicks. That's it. Your sales order is created and sent clearly and professionally.